I am almost done. Setting up all these streams. Okay, now we're good. Alright, what's up everybody? Chicago Sid, first one in here. Good morning, Chicago. Dang, looks like my YouTube chat has been overtaking my Tradecaster chat recently. Looks like I need my music. Looks like my YouTube chat has been overtaking my Tradecaster chat. So, good morning to all of you on YouTube, including Jim, Hinkle, Mr. B, Ido, How to Anything, and then Chicago Sid, Argent Trader, and Urban Trades on Tradecaster so far. Joe, good morning on YouTube. So, let's look at some gappers. I saw on the Discord a lot of guys were mentioning a couple of them, so let's just go ahead and check them out. Alright, so number one gapper on my list, and then you guys tell me if I'm missing anything or you guys see anything that I'm not seeing, is Lase. Lase. Wait to say, good morning, Juan, good morning, Hanish, good morning, Mercer, good morning. So, Lase. No, don't hit a high before pre-market. 281 high on Lase. Oh, I do not like this daily. So, it looks like 281. If you look at the daily, oh my gosh. Guys, if you look at the daily on Lays, you have a high of 286.88, which is where kind of this ended up topping out. But then after that, you have room all the way to 5.5. And this one might be worth it to take a look at a smaller time frame still, but yeah, no, I mean I see room to 3.2, and after that is 5.5 on this one. So this one could open up if you get short strapped in here, but it's got a lot of room. It's got a lot of room. That is LASE. What is the float on this one? I bet it's small. LASE float 4.7. Perfect. Alright, so LASE, beautiful so far. Ross traded AMV. Yeah, I don't know that I like AMV. What's up, Blunteretti, whatever. BK Gapper AMV. Tamimi, good morning, man. Next one is APRN. What did this pop up to? 285? I don't like that. I do not like APRN. I mean, I'll put it here, but I do not like APRN. So that was LASE, decent, 281, whole dollar, 320 after that, and then room to 5.5. APRN, I really do not like APRN. Joby, let's look at Joby, popped up. Joby popped up to 4.7. That one's okay. You have the 200 moving average above us up to 533, so that's good. You do have kind of a pretty tight downtrend on this one. And I don't know if I want to draw it like this or with the top of the wicks. So this one, I could see some room on this one, so I like Joby. Even if I put a tight downtrend on this one on the daily, it still has room to almost $5. And then 200 moving average is past $5, 533. So we might get some trades on this one. Joby, that's one I just looked at. VOXR. Looks like I had a pretty nice gap up to $5, but gave it almost all the way back. So already not looking good. There's a couple of stocks that Mr. G mentioned news on, and so if you guys want to check them out, first of all, thank you Mr. G for doing that on the Discord, but if you guys want to check them out, then go check it out on the Discord link. The Awakened One, what's up? AAJ, 7.6 month million on Ross. I am so sorry. Ape Trades, what's up, man? John, what's up? The Trader, what's up? So I'm not liking this one. Dice is the only other one that, to me, the daily looks great. I mean, you're hitting all-time highs. This one, actually, if you would have traded pre-market, this probably would have been the cleanest pre-market trade you could have ever found. Breaks high of days, all-time highs, which was 40.50. Pulled back to 40.50, hovered there, used that support, and then ran up to $50. So that right there was like a $10 move almost from support to highs. Obviously, you might not catch all of it, but that was a very nice move, especially in the 5 minutes. Look at those two red candles down, no volume. That right there would have been key on a pre-market trade. But now you have a high of 50.76, and guys, if you're talking about volatility, this stock is it. You know, every stock is moving 10 cents, 5 cents, 20 cents at the max, maybe 50 cents. You get some random ones, a candle can move 50 cents. Dice right here is moving almost $2. So drop your share size on this one. So if you see here, like even I'll pick one of the just average candles, right? This red one right here. If you take a look at this red one, the top of that candle is 46.88. The bottom of that candle there is 45.25. That's $1.50 on that medium sized candle. It's $1.50 move. So very easy to get a dollar move here. Very easy to get a lot of profits. Very easy to get a lot of a big red trade. And you're also gonna have a pretty big spread on this one, just because it's that big. You're gonna have, well, I guess let me look. 46.14 of 46.20, 46.16 of 46.48. That's like a 20-30 cent spread. So not the best there. Buenos dias. What's up, man? And then last one, CDXC. Am I missing any stocks you guys see that I'm not seeing yet? APRN. Oh, this one I don't like. This, I mean, it could make a decent pop, but it got pretty beaten down from $6 all the way down to $2. It kind of backed down to lows of supports down here, 227. So you may find people covering down here and get a small pop, but I don't know that I really like that one. Actually, let me look at the ones from yesterday, because I bet there's some that are decent. iLag, I don't know that I really like iLag, but I'm going to keep it up. APDN. See, APDN looks better. See, to me, APDN looks better. Over $2. We can start looking to get that a new high of 238. Peggy was your other sleeper, I think you mentioned, or Rafiki mentioned in the Discord. Peggy is still holding. Peggy did not break a high yesterday. So actually, if you guys were watching my recap yesterday, I think I finished yesterday up 550 after streaming, and then I kept trading throughout the day, and I made an extra $100. And then in the middle of my recap, I was like, oh, Peggy's popping up, Peggy's popping up. So then I took another trade on Peggy, and I knew Peggy's high was 491, and then $5 afterwards. So I started taking a trade here, and I was up like $300 up to this point here, 4.8, almost 4.9, $300. But you know, it was my last trade, and I'm already in a winning trade, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna let it sit here and see how much more I can make. So I let it there, I let it sit there. I took some very small, and then the rest at break even, and it came all the way down and stopped me. So I made like an extra $100, but I'm looking for 491 on this one. And then what are the daily pivots on this one? So the daily pivots are 411, 481. I see that one. I had that one marked. 481. Okay, so we'll have to look at this one. If this one starts popping up, I really do like Peggy. So yesterday I did end up making a little bit more money, guys. I lied. I came back for more. More. I want more. I want more. I want more. How do you download the broker use on a desktop? You just look it up online, go to Google, and then just type in Thinkorswim download. Trading crypto? No, I don't trade crypto. AAL. I'm watching the same as well. Agreed with Lase. Most potential. Okay. I do see Lase, Nikki. TBLT. No, I don't know why I looked at that one yesterday. SNTI. Downtrending. Neuro completely failed. Sober. You know, Sober was a disappointment yesterday. But I'll put an alert up here. I doubt it's going to come back up. But IMUX, you know, IMUX has room to the 200 moving average still. This one, even though it was super choppy yesterday, like extremely choppy yesterday, we have room. I got a couple lines on this one, and I think on this one we got room to 733. So this one definitely on watch as well. We made a new high yesterday after hours, but let's see if we keep moving up on this one. So that one's definitely on watch. ABEO. ABEO also on watch. What the heck? ABEO 200 moving average at 537. Not close there yet. So I'm actually going to throw this one on here as well. How much time do I have left? 3 minutes. There's a lot of stocks really close to 200 moving average that you just got to keep an eye on them. So I'll go. So that was ABEO. Just have an alert on that one. Peggy, also looking for that one to open up. IMUX, also looking for that one to open up to the 200 moving average. I got alerts on all of these, so if I see an alert, I'll call them out for you guys. Good morning, good trading, good luck, and may all be blessed. I love that line, Rafiki. You always say it every morning. Kano, no. ADTX, no, I got an alert on that one too. Lucy, this one completely faded. FNGR, somebody just mentioned FNGR. You know, FNGR is actually holding from yesterday's gains. And this one also could go back up to that $10 range. Look for new highs on FNGR. Let's see. Someone always asks if you trade crypto every day. Yeah, it's on TikTok, because on TikTok I get a bunch of new viewers. Morning, UCAPDN yesterday going into power. Yeah, I saw it, and I just saw it right now. I have an alert on it on that one too. It looks pretty interesting. So, good morning, TS84. Mason Wells, good morning. CryptoWire, good morning. I don't know if I'd already said a good morning to a couple of you guys, and Blair as well. So, I got a minute and a half left. Lace, to me, looks like the best one so far, but I do have an eye on Peggy, on ABEO, on Imux, IMUX, and then let me quickly glance through a couple of these more. Tops, not that really. ATXG, not that really. MOTS, ARC, definitely not. Beat was still at max highs 674. This one could turn around, but got an alert up there. GGE honestly also has some chance if we get over this 225 area, so I'll put an alert there. Alright, I'm gonna have to go back. Dice, honestly, I think Dice making the move that it made from $20 to $50, I would not be surprised if this one puts in another high, but this one's already pretty risky. So keep an eye on this one. Good morning, MSM. Man, let's get this money, BK Gapper. That's what we're trying. Good morning, Rob. Looking at these, at Lace at 65% at open. Lace. Lace is so far my best stock. This one, the daily, if you get past 280, which is our high now, and I think 320 looking at the 4 hours, but after that, there's absolutely nothing until 5. Unless you look at a 10-15 minute time frame, but nothing on the 4 hour, nothing on the daily. It's got room, it's got room. SPY, you know, SPY curled all the way up to 380s, 370s, and right back down to 360s. Let's keep an eye on SPY and see if SPY wants to completely crack that 360 level, kind of like it did yesterday, but eventually take it all the way down. Alright, so looking at Lase at the open here, this might even spike to a new high, but honestly, I do not want to chase anything. So market's open, we're live, time to make money. Dice and Lase. This is about a spike and hit a new high. So just watching for now, just watching for now. Looks like Lase wants this high. This candle still has 30 seconds left, 20 seconds left, and I don't really want to chase a market first minute open candle. There's a new high. This one, we're looking for $3 next. We're looking for $3.20 next. No trades yet, just watching, just watching. Momentum scanner is now live for you guys as well, so if you guys want to take a look at that, right above my head is the momentum scanner, and then to the side of my face is the halt scanner. So every time any stock is halted, it'll show up there, and you guys can look at them completely free. I mean, on Lase, you could kind of retest this 274, but first 2, 3, 4 minutes of open, you get these candles that sometimes don't even listen to support resistances. These candles will just do what they want and flush or rip, you know, like that. You would expect 274 there to hold, kind of trying it, kind of trying to hold, but if that doesn't hold there, buyers quickly gonna bail out, and this thing can easily flush down to VWAP. I see Peggy trying to, but I'm gonna keep a closer eye on Peggy. Peggy anywhere close to that 481. I mean 491. Joby looks like flushed. Imux actually popping up, shooting my alert. Imux has high of 646, so looking for that 646 break 650. Nothing there yet. No trades yet, no trades yet. I heard somebody say, talking about me yesterday, saying I am a very patient trader. Very patient trader. Oh, there goes Lase. Lase, the only thing I got is $3, $3.20. After that, we got 5. 287 is also a daily pivot, so this could hold here, or even a nasty flush down to 281. Peggy gets over 459. I'm looking at 480, 491, $5. Peggy. FNCH, APRN. A couple of you guys naming some stocks. APRN's got some room for highs still. Peggy's the one that I want to look at though. Peggy, over this 459, we could spike up all the way up to 4. Pretty sure 491 is high. 491 is high on Peggy. I still see Lase up there, but Peggy, for me, Peggy, I think Peggy can finally hit that $5. Let me look at Lase again. Peggy's got kind of a little bit, so many stocks moving, hard to focus on one. That's exactly my problem right now. Not that I see them moving like crazy, but I see Lace up there, but I really like Peggy, and I really would like check APRN. APRN, my problem is APRN still has a lot of room to back up to highs. You know, it's at sitting at $2 right now, and I think the highs are like 3 something, but that stock doesn't move as fast. On Lace, interested on Lace on a pullback down to 281. Let's see how this pullback on Lace holds up, and we're looking for $3 on this one. Peggy completely turned around. I don't like that. But looking at Lace, let's see if we get a nice pullback here and then anticipate a $3. Getting a little bit heavier, which is okay. 281 pivot could still be good. Unless we quickly, unless we quickly just take out new highs and squeeze up to $3. Watching Lace very careful now. If we get another pullback, or if we start squeezing through 295 up to $3. Dang it, no trades there. Could be looking for the break of 3. There's a break of 3, but let's see if we see a continuation after. Oh, wow. Well, no trades there. I was patient enough to wait it out, but not patient enough to not take that first pullback there. I should have added there. Hopefully this is not the same thing that was happening yesterday. We can't see chart, bro. Oh, hold on. I thought I fixed it, man. There you go, TikTok people. Sorry about that. FNHC 5-minute setup by Zach. I do see that. Wait, what is it pulling back to though? 41. What is 41? Is that a daily pivot? FNHC looking very good actually. Man, this Lay stock is being pretty choppy already. No trades for me. The next trade here would be this holding $3, retest $3, and see if we pull away through that 320 that I was mentioning on the 4-hour. But this one now is going to be a little riskier, especially with that nasty little bit of a flush that we had there. But let's see if I can at least lock in a little bit of a small gain here, a little bit of profit if we retest $3. There's 199 orders there on the ask. Really small share sizes. I'm looking at a breakout trade here, and it's not even wanting to break out. This stock is a little bit iffy up here. So I'm going to take $30 to start the day off, but not what I'm looking for. This first pullback should have been the one that I should have jumped in it, looking for that 281 and then retest. So sometimes you get stocks that you're looking for a play, it doesn't happen, that's okay. FNCH though, I might be a little late for this one, Zach. Zach is in here on this one, looking at that $40 to hold, and then looking for 50 cents on this one. And then Peggy kind of flushed, but Peggy's back up. I like Peggy. I want Peggy to get back up to 459. APDN making a move, but low volume. See, this one's a little better. This one, I like that one. Lace, let's see if another 1 minute candle holds this $3 and we pull away. Or even snipe some shares under $3. On Lace, even a pullback to like 290. This stock is annoying me today already. This stock is already annoying me, so that's not a good thing. Yeah, sorry about that, guys, on TikTok. Sorry about that. So APDN, I mean, you might set up a 5-minute flag down to 281 or something like that if it's really low volume. But this stock at $3, it keeps getting rejected pretty fast. Oh, Blair just said, what about 281? So you could take a look at 281. You know, you have two nice candles on the way up, green candles. This red candle would have to close or tap 281 down there with pretty low volume, and then we might have a nice little bounce from 281 back up to 3. 283 double bottom would be nice. That too, yeah. So we'll keep an eye on this one and see if we get a nice pullback. Let's see if we get a nice little pullback. To me, still buyers, even though it keeps flushing, like flushed once and twice, you know, it's still holding some levels. Peggy right back up to that downtrend line from like 4 or 5 days, or maybe 2-3 days. Looking at Lace, see if we get a nasty little pullback. Honestly, Lace is holding a lot of these pullbacks here. It's looking pretty decent. I thought this one was gonna be falling a lot faster after these two flushes, but it's holding it. A lot of times you have to really take a look at how the stock is trading before you want to take a nice 5-minute flag or a 1-minute flag, because if you're getting stuffed, there's a lot of sellers, no buyers stepping anywhere, then I wouldn't want to take a dip trade later on. And this one so far doesn't look bad, even though it's getting nasty flushes. It seems to want to hold some of these flushes. So I might start a small position here. If I get that 181 down there, I'll add it a little bit bigger and see if I get this thing to turn around to $3. See, you can't even make a lower low here already. This candle's about to close here. Do we get a lower low now and snipe a little bit more shares? Being patient, see if it wants to drop. Yeah. I see buyers trying to step in on this one. If this one pops up, it'll pop up right up to 3, hopefully. You can see buyers are stepping in here. That volume is really low. Let's see if we get a nice opening. Kind of like that. Now we're looking at $3. Nope. Like quadruple, quintuple, whatever that is. Top right there. Right here. What is that? 290, 295. Couple orders getting taken down. 295. 200 orders there. 295. A lot of orders there. I saw 200 at one point. Trying to be patient here. Let's see if we break that 295 wall. 100 orders. 115, 114, 103. Cracking a little bit. 140. Cracked. Nope. That was 94. My bad. 95. There it is. There. Now do we get the squeeze? Did we get the squeeze? Back up to 3. I want to take a little bit out. Did we get the squeeze? Did we get the squeeze? Back up to 3. Back up to high day. Do we ignite a squeeze here? It's getting a little iffy. 298, a couple of orders there. You know, I have to descale when it gets stuck like this, which sucks because then if it eventually rips, I got less shares in this, so less profit, but I always got to cover myself. ABEO shot up an alert. I cannot look at it right now, but just letting you guys know, ABO shot up an alert. So still looking here at Lase. I'm still 1,000 shares in this trade. My break-even price is 290, so I could put a stop there. It looks like I'll lose $60 if I get stopped out, which I'm about to get stopped out, and it looks like I'll make $100 profit. Oh my gosh, Peggy. Peggy, I'm telling you guys, Peggy today. Look at this pullback here on Peggy, and let's see if we can snipe this 450 entry down here. I might start adding on Peggy. I think this Peggy has room to 5. If I get this 450 here, add this small little flag here to start holding, I want to see if Peggy can rip. I'm going to try to play Peggy a little bit aggressive. I want this flag here to start holding. And see if I can get Peggy to start squeezing. What happened with Lase? Oh, I thought it had already stopped me out earlier. So I'm still in on Peggy. I'm looking for Peggy to open up. I think this one has room to that 491, $5. If I'm wrong, then I'll take a loss, but I want to see this start holding here. If I get a nasty flush, then that's okay, but I want to see this hold this 450 level here and get that next leg up. This candle's already going to close here holding it, so let's see if buyers step in on this one and start ripping. Give me another one candlestick like this one. Right here, candle closes, new one. Why is it frozen? Where are the buyers on Peggy? No, I probably should have looked at Peggy first before I just randomly bought it to see if there was buyers, because I don't see buyers, but I'm liking Peggy. I'm liking Peggy. Why is it freezing every once in a while, though? I don't like that. Alright, give me a one candle rip. Another one candle rip. Up to 47, 48. Break this high here. 467, 481. Right here, right here, right here. 457, 35 orders there. That's not a lot. Lase, honestly, 5-minute flag looks pretty good. If Peggy doesn't go, I will be very surprised. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, alright. I like this, I like this, I like this. I like this a lot, I like this a lot. I really like this a lot. Get a new high of day. Break out all the way to 481. I really like this a lot. I really like this a lot. I got stop at break even already. This candle should take us high. If this candle doesn't break out, then I'm gonna stop out and take the break even or a little bit of a profit trade. But this candle here, why is this stock so slow though? All right, new high of day and squeeze. New high of day and squeeze. Come on. Just break this 467 wall and you fly right up to 480. Come on, come on. Being very patient. 3,500 shares. I could see this thing going all the way up to 5. Lays, I think that 5-minute flag, two candles down already on the way back up. Oh, come on. I'm like $200, $300 profit on this trade, but I want to be very patient on this thing. I think this thing has room. How's everybody doing? I don't see that many comments today. You guys are just watching, not trading? I think somebody's also buying this stock, not letting it drop. No, don't stop me out, please. Look how much lower volume the red candles have, though. Alright, open up, open up, open up, open up. Why is nobody buying Peggy, man? Why is nobody buying Peggy? That is ridiculous. I probably should have taken a little more off, but you know, I was just pretty confident on it that it could have gone. Oh, Sam Snead said 300 is not going. I just thought it had it. I just thought it had it. Lace 5-minute flag still. Look at Lace. IMUX. Somebody calling out IMUX too. I'm gonna replace Joby because Joby didn't do anything. IMUX, yep, spiking up there, passing 650. That one we had a high of 646, so we got a new high. Probably did what it's supposed to. Somebody said I'm stressing, bro. So a little bit frustrating on Peggy. I think one or I don't know. I think there might have been hidden buyers at some point. Somebody was trying to really accumulate this thing and trying for somebody else to just get the shares and break out, but we just couldn't do it. Rob Bellany, 2 green trades. Right now, Lace is probably the best. Lace, you know, still 281 hasn't been retested. 5-minute flag looks good on this one. So Lace does look a little interesting still. And honestly, Peggy, I mean, if Peggy ends up reclaiming 459, I think 459 was, I have so many lines on Peggy now. 459 was a key level yesterday, and I only remember that because that's the trade that I took yesterday, the dip of 459. GGE trying. GGE. Okay. GGE high of 282, and so far it's making a nice move. I'm also going to replace this one here, so I'm keeping an eye on it. Educativo's calling out Lace, and then Ape Trades saying he's in Lace. Lace about to hit a new high of day. Candle has 20 seconds left to hold. Let's see if we get a small little pullback here. Rip through a new high of day on Lace. 306 is high. I'm not gonna chase it though. I will just let it. I will let it close. $3 is right there too. Candle's about to close here. 4, 5, 3 seconds. Don't close under 3. Holding, holding, holding. Next leg up. I think I saw 320 on the daily on this one. Well, not daily, 4-hour chart. Holding, holding, holding. Next leg up. Next leg up after 311. So 310, 311 next entry for some people. So if we get past that, we could get another 5-10 cent squeeze. This candle is still holding here. A breakout trade here, so small share size, but we could still hold that 306 this pivot. Here comes 310. 278 or cracked halfway through. Nope. $270 orders again, cracked halfway through. 100 down to 100 orders. Nope. That makes me not scared, but actually a little bit excited. If we crack that, this will really pop more than I think. Right here, 82 orders left, 79 orders, restacked to 200. Wow. But let's try one more attempt. Let's try one more attempt. 306 pivot will hold. Buyers will step at 306. Previous high of day. Let's see if we hold it. Nope. Why does my charts keep freezing? Look, it's frozen again. Is that on everybody's chart, or is that just mine? Looking for 306 pivot to hold and see if we get a new high. Low volume candle here. No, not stressing it. I think this one can put in a new high. Low volume. Watch this candle close above 306. Next candle take it, or even this candle back up to that 310. This one might close up here even as a green candle. Next one instantly start off at 310. Right here. Let's see that 310 again. Let's see that 310 again. Right there, 310. There it is. Selling above 310. Not the big squeeze that I thought though. I'm fully out. I don't know, Sam Sneed. I don't know. So, I could have been looking at a $500, $600 day today. If I would have taken my profit on Peggy, I'd be up 200 here, 300 there. But so far, it looks like I'm only up $170 so far, which I'm okay with. I was looking for the big push on Peggy. That was a bigger time frame kind of trade. Go big or go home, and so I lost 20 bucks, but I'm okay with that. GGE. If I only understood all this, I would do it. Hey man, I can teach you. I can help you. Yo, I'm new to this. I just made a Weeble account. Don't know where to start. YouTube is the way to start. If you want everything in one place, go check out my course. 150 off for a discount. And obviously I'm streaming free, so you can see me do this all. You know that I'm actually making money. GGE also still flagging. GGE does not look bad. GGE does not look bad. Dude. You know what I think it is? I think every time I forget to turn off my PC when I at night, I think the next day might be a little laggy. Last time I forgot to turn off my PC at night was the day that you guys were saying my stream looked like Garbaggio. That was that day. And then today, I guess I just didn't play games last night because I got home late, and so I left my computer on accidentally. And I think I'm a little laggy today, and I don't know if that's why. You never turn off your PC. I've heard that's pretty bad. My friend that built it, he's always like, bro, you gotta literally clean your PC daily, not daily, weekly, and literally turn it off like every night, or even during the day when you're not using it. 127 viewers on YouTube. That's the highest I've ever had, I think. So you guys like up the video, comment if you guys have any questions. Let me know how I can help you if you want to get started day trading, if you just anything at all, Mateo S is good. Volume kicking in my run. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Thank you, Rob. Thank you. I'm late today, but took half my positions at 25 on AVAV. Rome, you're killing AMV. Some of you guys, good morning, traders. 2 green trades waiting for it. Okay. Reading some comments. I like it. Lase is still going, sadly. Emotional tolerance. You never turn off your PC and you have no lags. Efficiency, LOL. I don't want to take the 2 minutes in the morning to start up the PC. I like running when I sit down. Alright guys, so Lase, Lase still has room to run. We'll see where the next entry on Lase is. You could take that 306, but I feel like we kind of already tried it there. Honestly, $3 would even look good too. But actually, 306 does look pretty decent. Imux about to go for another high. So this is a new 5-minute candle here starting. So let's see if we get that pullback down. Down to 3 still doesn't look bad, I think. $3. We never retested $3. I don't know if this pullback here is big volume or not. Look at that. Low volume, but pulling down to 3. Yeah, I don't know if I like one candle pullback that fast. Yep, stay out of that. Stay out of ape trades. Myself and a lot of people have issue with scaling up. Scale up slower, like 2% more per day. FNGR still looking good. Somebody calling it out. FNGR. IMUX just ripped. IMUX couldn't do any of this yesterday. IMUX still has room on the daily. Actually, 675, is that a daily? 675 is a daily pivot here. But this one has room to $7 potentially on IMUX. So let's keep watching IMUX. On a pretty nice run right here. Let's see if we get a retest of like 658, 650. If this candle closes high, this is good volume. Highest it's had all day long. And shorts look like they're trying to come in on this stock. So let's see if we get a nice 659, 658 retest. And then fly up for another new high on this one. How did FNHC play out, Zach? Right here, down here, 659, 658 retest maybe. Give me that pullback, give me that pullback, give me that pullback. Not the pullback I was looking for, but okay. I got in pretty high on that one accidentally. But still looking for that 75 break. We had good volume on this first candle. Let's see if we can continue this one. There's a pullback that I should have gone right there, 658, 659. I don't see sellers coming in here so far, but I don't see buyers. I need to see time and sell green. Maybe we just want to wait this candle out and get that new next candle to open up. There's buyers. There's the first time and sells green. So now I'm looking for this thing to open up to 675. Candle closed here, new candle starts. Let's see if we get the new high. I want to see it hold those last 5 seconds here, 2 seconds, 1 second, new candle up. Nope. See how it pulled down on the last. This might actually dump on me, so I'm gonna. Oh, never mind. Now I'm looking for highs. Now I'm looking for highs. I'm looking for highs. Be patient. Break this wall here. 19. Not breaking it. Descaling a little bit. I don't see the wall though. I may have gone out too early. I couldn't see a wall. I don't know if there was a hidden seller or not. I didn't see a big ask or anything like that. So I cut it. Double topped it there. I cut it. Still a low volume pullback though. So if this kind of tries to show a little bit of a flush, maybe pick up some shares under 659. This candle now has 5 seconds left. If this straight up goes to a new high, I'm going to be a little salty now. Peggy still holding. Lase looks like it dropped down a little bit, but did recover that move. Zach took some Peggy. The heck, Zach? 343 Juan Lase hit 65%. Did you jump in, Kevin? What do I enter my positions based on what? Support? You love it, ass. You can stare at them all day. You know, SPY is about to hit a new 52-week low today. It's 355 the low. Watch, IMUX is going to break this high and squeeze like 10 cents all the way up to 7. Yeah, that's what I said, Ape Trades. I feel so bad for the people that were trying like retire this year or like even like, congrats on the 250 viewers. You give away a ton of value on these streams. Thank you, Sam Sneed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it, appreciate it. So I think I'm up 200 bucks. Nothing crazy. I left a lot of money on that other one, but I've had a pretty nice green streak so far. And let me look at it so you guys can see. Blair red, $17. Blair, look for the good trade, Blair. If you don't see it, then leave it. $17 is not bad. All right, so I'm up $200 today. I made $750 on Monday. Friday I made $850. Thursday I made $500. Wednesday I made $750. Tuesday I made $656. Monday I made $700. Do I keep going? What a consistency. All right, IMUX. Let's see what IMUX wants to do. Do we get that pullback again to 659 for this fresh 5-minute candle to go down and tap it right here? This new 5-minute candle, go down to that 659 and tap it. Ape Trades is all over it already. What do you trade on? Oh my gosh, 75 years on TikTok? Holy crap, I was not watching TikTok. How do you get started? Everybody on TikTok, I am not trading crypto. I am not trading Bitcoin. I am not trading foreign exchange coins. All right? I'm trading stocks. I'm trading shares, not options. I'm trading shares. I buy low. I sell high. I get the difference, right? If you guys want to learn how to day trade, I do this every single day. You guys can come in and watch me trade live. Foreign exchanges and coins. Shut up. I do this live every single day, completely free for all of you guys. Look at Peggy. Look at Peggy again. I bet you Zach is in Peggy. Look at this idiot Peggy stock. Look at this stupid idiot Peggy stock, man. Now the volume comes in. Look at all those green orders now. Where was this earlier? Guys on TikTok, if you guys really want to learn, I have a link in Discord, completely free. I also don't charge for it in my bio. You guys can come in and ask me any questions. There's two ways for you guys to learn. I feel like TikTok people never heard of stocks. There's two ways to learn. You guys can go on YouTube and start looking up day trading, find what to look for, what to study. Look at Peggy, man. Are you kidding me, Peggy? Where was this earlier, man? 467. Let's see if we get a pivot. 467. I think Peggy's got room again to 5. 491.5. You can go on YouTube, or if you guys want my course and learn strictly off of me and everything that I teach and have me as your mentor, then you can get my course, link in the bio as well, and use 150 off at checkout page. 459 retest on Peggy. Still very interested. Let me look at my 5 minutes. I can't remember if it's 491, 481 high. 491. And this one's at that 200 moving average there at that 0.2. Peggy, man. Peggy. This one, to me, looked like the best one so far today. It just... Lase also coming back up. I think Zach either alerted this one or said he jumped in on this one earlier down here. Good ad, Zach. Good ad. How long have I been trading? 2-3 years. Zach has a 448 average on Peggy. Nice. Lase coming back up. Looks like it wants to curl all the way to a new high. Retest of 306 on Lase. And then Peggy, we got to get out of 467. How do you get started to day trade? You got my course link in bio. 150 off at checkout, or you can look up stuff on YouTube and figure out what to study and stuff. I honestly could not tell you there's one specific channel out there that's going to teach you everything. This volume here on Lase, even though it's popping back up to 306, I don't like the decrease in bulls right here. So I'm a little iffy here. So far, IMUX still holding up here. Lase and looking at Peggy. Man, there's a 459 reaches on Peggy. Missed that one. Unless it happened so fast. What's up, Kevin? Why'd you say wow? WNW? Oh, I see it. WNW completely halted. Peggy. WNW halt. So a couple of you guys are calling that one out. I see it. H-Hits, Imux, please give me the retest. Imux, you're looking for 659 retest. Peggy still looks like low volume here again. Look at this. What kind of fill was that, Peggy? I clicked the buy button at 458. I clicked the buy button at 458. And I got a fill of 464. Maybe I should have used limit orders here, even though it's choppy. But look, it's doing the same thing as earlier. You get that nice volume, and then you get that consolidation with super low volume, and then nobody buys. Somebody's probably anticipating a big move on this one, and they themselves are the ones doing it. But they don't. They buy low. They're not buying high. They want other people to make the big move for them. I don't know if that's a thing or not, but that's what it seems like to me. Somebody's buying, not keeping the stock from failing, but trying to get somebody else to push it through highs, push it, take out walls, and they don't want to take out the walls because they don't want their average to be high. I see IMUX. I don't know if you know what to do, Ape Traits. Yeah, Chicago said I see WNW halted up. You know, Peggy's such a piece of crap. Scheduled to resume. Is there an obvious target on WNW? Let me look at the chart. WNW. Daily past the 200 moving average already. That's a good thing. Next daily resistance 133. We could be looking at 150 after that. This halted at 0740, so 07 plus 3, that's 10, 12. Now, what a terrible resumption. If you break 121, you'll squeeze again. So if you're one of those people that buy high, 122 order could be it. Beat, nice move. Oh, well look at that, 122 hit, didn't break. Wow. IMUX frozen, no volume. Which one was I looking at? Peggy right now. Sit on your hands. Wild Boy, what's up, Wild Boy? Educativo 480 on Peggy. 480 is my target on Peggy. No, my target on Peggy is 5. I mean, I'd be looking at 5. Because 491 is high. 481 is a daily pivot. Peggy looks like it's going to keep moving up maybe. I think so too, but somebody's saying long on SPY off of these lows. No, I am on YouTube and Tradecaster.com. For everybody watching on TikTok, I'm on YouTube and Tradecaster.com. And if you guys want to go over to YouTube or Tradecaster, you guys will actually see my whole screen, not just the middle section of it. What do you trade on? Thinkorswim platform. Lase kind of back here again, trying to hold this 3.6 spike up to a new high. I haven't gotten a good entry today. This could have been the good entry on Lase. I think Ape Trades made his money on that flag right there. Take some of these lows here. I bought Dice in pre-market and got too greedy now. I'm just hoping it'll move. Dice? Dang, Dice. I actually did not expect Dice to completely pull back. I thought I heard somebody mentioning in the Discord that Dice had pretty good news, which is why, you know, guys, and I'm not saying, oh, knife there on which one? on Lace a little bit, which is why a lot of you guys W and W still kind of broke a high. Peggy, you know, Peggy's still going, but how much volume do we have today on Peggy? Yeah, that's not a lot. 30, 50,000. Only 2.9, 20 million the last day, 14 million, 80 million. So yeah, we're at like 3 million volume. In the last days, we had like 80 volume. Lace trying for 350, yeah, and IMUX trying for 7. So these are trades. You guys know the targets, right? You guys know how I trade. You guys know I'm looking for something higher. Everybody on TikTok, you know, everybody on TikTok is complete dog water beginner traders. They're like, bro, you're so dumb for looking at selling at $7. You know, are you freaking kidding me, man? Are you serious, Peggy? Break a 5? I 481 was a daily pivot. 491 was previous high, so there it is. 41 daily pivot, 491 previous highs, looking at $5 break. Break a 5 maybe. That's so stupid, man. That is so stupid, man. I mean, I tried this stock, what, 4 times today? 3 times today? And it didn't do that when I was in with 4,000 shares? Like, I knew what I was looking for. I knew Peggy had potential. I knew Peggy could hit that 491 and $5. It literally spiked straight up to exactly on the penny $5. Yeah, Nvidia, Wild Boy, Nvidia is one of my long-term holds. It's actually like further in the red, but it drops and I just add a tiny bit more. It drops, I just add a tiny bit more. I mean, I don't see why Nvidia would not recover. Honestly, I kind of want to short SPY right now. It's at VWAP on the way back up. And so I'm going to actually jump in some SPY puts right now, I think. Let's see if we anticipate that 355 low. Let me see. Man, I am upset about Peggy. Still, 481 could be a nice retest down here. We're crossing the 200 moving average, so it gets a little riskier here. But, you know, a little bit annoying. You don't know why my Tradecaster restarts every 5 or 10 minutes? That shouldn't be happening. I bought Dyson. Okay, I saw that. Holy, IMUX is a thing. IMUX is trying. Sorry. You sold Peggy before it shot up, then that sucks. Is this penny stocks? Yes, finally somebody knows. I actually am kind of a little bit salty of Peggy. I am a little bit salty of Peggy. Was anybody in? Zach, you were in on that, right? Did you hold from 448 all the way up to there? Ape Trades had another loss, I think Wednesday last week, and look at him back here again. $206 profit. Good job, Ape Trades. Good job, man. Zach, Educativo and Zach are both still in on Peggy from like 450s average. Good job, guys. Good job. Weeble is good for trading, but if you're gonna start trading with me and learn off of me, I would recommend Thinkorswim, which is Tita Ameritrade. They're both very, very similar. I wouldn't say one is better than the other, but if you have platform issues, helps, questions, I would be able to help you. If you ask me anything about Weeble, I would straight up say you're gonna have to Google it or YouTube it because I have no idea. IMEX, I cut it out from 653 average, 7 out of 8 green trades today. Good job, 8 trades. You took 8 trades today? And everybody on TikTok, guys, IMUX almost back up to highs though, John. Look at that recovery in IMUX. Still looking for maybe $7 on this one. Is this one breaking new high here? Yep. Does it get $7? Pretty tough off that breakout there. IMUX still 733 is 200 moving average on the daily. So this one still has a little bit of room. Here's that 481 pivot on Peggy. Held already. Should have been my ad right there. Okay, so I have some people that use Weeble as well if you're watching on TikTok and on my Discord. And I mean, guys, I don't know how many other Discords are out there or how many people have trading Discords and how friendly they are. But if you come in my Discord and you ask anything, either I will reply or somebody as well and help you out. So not a spammy, scammy Discord where I'm here to take your money. I'm here to teach you guys. Help you guys. Yes, I can teach you. Somebody just said, can you teach me? Yes, if you buy my course, you'll have everything you need on that course, plus my mentorship as well to help you. Can I drop the Discord link? Yes, I give you a Discord link right here. If you're on TikTok, Discord link is in the bio. If you are on YouTube, let me give you guys my Discord right here. And then on Tradecaster, I'll post it as well, so give me a second. I don't know what to look for right now. IMUX could hold this pullbacks here. ABEO. This is the 1 minute time frame. How do you get active trader open? What do you mean? You just click it on the sides. You have to make a new window and then put the gadget to active trader. ABEO, Andres calling it out. This looks good, but it's actually at the 200 moving average too. Oh, I don't know what I do, Andres. Did you jump in? GGE also kind of trying to come back. A little iffy there. WNW, every halt that I've seen in the last 2-3 days, as soon as it halted, it gave it all back. Peggy 481, that's a good pivot there, but maybe let's take a retest of 475 on this one. But now I got so much lines on this thing. I got to get some lines out of here. So 507 is high, $5 whole number, 481, 491, previous high of day, 481. It's just a resistance, 467. What's 467? $467 is nothing. Lase, I've been watching Lase. I took some trades on Lase earlier. I'm up $200 on Lase. IMUX, looking for $7 on IMUX. If you guys are also watching, if you want to also learn or compare how you trade it compared to how I traded, I post daily recaps on YouTube and explaining all of my trades, exactly telling you how much I made, how much I lost, and where I bought, where I sold, all of that stuff. Man, I want to see how much my puts are up on uh on SPY. The ones I just bought up 10% already. I mentioned exactly when I was gonna get them. Peggy looking for new highs. $5 whole dollar. Peggy's gonna hold. Let's see. 40 seconds left on this candle. No way I'm chasing this. No way I'm chasing this. 5-10 seconds. Closes high. Maybe. But 40 seconds left. No way I'm chasing it. Look at that. Just like that, you save a flush. Just like that, you save from 5 to 480's 20-cent drop. Opinion on Dice, please. You know, Dice, huge gap up from 25 to 50s. I thought this thing would keep on going and hit a new high today, but it actually did not, and I don't know that it would turn around and come back up for another high today. Alright guys, 118 viewers on YouTube. How are you guys doing? Green, red, break even, no trades. Tradecaster, how are you guys doing? TikTok, how old do you need to be to start trading? 18. How much capital need to start? You can start with free. You can start out with fake money. You get fake money in the account when you first open them, and you can trade with fake money. There's no need for you to go in there with real money and lose it. Tamimi, 111, but only 36 likes. You know? Okay, never mind. Rob S, 3 out of 3 ingress. Awesome. Justin, Stress, hit the like, guys. Hit the like, hit the like, hit the like. Green on Lace, but not by much. Okay. Things are starting to slow down, so unfortunately, Rosendo's green. AJ, no trades yet. Mersa, no. Andres up $500 today. Good job. Danimal up $106. Good job. Andres, LFG team. Let's go, Andres. Good job, good job. Am I doing this with real money? Yes. This is real money. I do this with real money. And to give you an example of how much money you can make, here is my P&L for the last couple of days. 200 today, 750 yesterday, 850 Friday, 500 Thursday, Wednesday 750, Tuesday 650, Monday 700. So in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, in the last 9 days of trading, let me see how much is that. In the last 9 days of trading, I'm up 6K. This is my full-time job, yes. Well, think about it. If I'm up 6K in 9 days, that's a week and 2 days. A week and almost a week, 3 days, 4 days. I don't know. I was thinking 7. I guess it's still a week, you know. Peggy's still holding. Chicago Sid, green on your live account, small gain, and over 200 on paper. Hey, there you go, though. Way to trade your live account and then come back and trade paper money to practice your skills and keep trading, you know. I was going to say, is this my full-time job? Would you consider something a full-time job if you made $6,000, 2 hours of work a day, and 6 days? FNGR calling it out by John. Oh, I see that bounce. Dude, FNGR does not give up, John. Which is iffy because it doesn't keep getting highs. Look at the daily, it's just green, 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 but it doesn't extend. It doesn't break out. So if it doesn't break out anytime soon, this thing could dump. What was my job before? I used to do a bunch of labor stuff. That's what got me most of my money to fund my trading account. And then I got a bachelor's degree in accounting, which I worked an accounting job for like 2 3 months, 2 3 months. Didn't like it. And then while I was actually day trading, so I was day trading, already making money. And you know, I trade 2 hours a day, and so I was sitting here all the rest of my evening doing nothing, and so I picked up a fun job at a vet clinic. But then I realized it's taking too much time out of my day, and I want to make more out of trading than just trade. So that's when I started live streaming, doing all these fun things, yada yada yada. And so then that's when I started this whole day trading thing. Lase 309 seems like a oh oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Mercer, I looked at that. I looked at that. Can I estimate the most I've made from one trade? Definitely is gonna have to be last year, and I mean anywhere from on a single trade, which could be a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, maybe 4 or 5 minutes tops, $2 3,000 on a trade, on one trade. Where am I trading from? What do you mean? Yeah, that's a death can. That's a blow up account candle right there. Gosh dang, dude. I saw that 8 trades. Bro, I bet that guy's up more than that today, though, or he'll get it back. How much do you need? Look, guys, you're gonna get into trading. Um, you can trade with fake money. You don't even have to put a single $100 in your account for you to be able to do exactly what I'm doing. Obviously, it's not real money, but at least you're practicing, learning, and then when you're profitable with the fake money, you can put your real money in. And in the meantime, it helps because you can save money on the side. But you can start with a couple hundred. If you have a little bit, couple of thousand, you can start with that and look at better returns. If you have uh, a lot of money, then you can still make pretty good. Lace is Dunzo, taking that off the watch list. Robin, he was in it. Dang, glad your runner's out. Good job. Lace gonna test VWAP. BK Gapper. Zach trying out some FNHC again. What a slow day. You don't need a special bank account, but you need a broker account. So you need to open a broker account with the brokers. I would look into TD Ameritrade or Webull. How to anything 75 on Lace, but glad you avoided that dump. Good job, man. FNCH never got 50 cents, so I think that's what Zach's target is on FNCH. IMUX never broke $7. Didn't got 2 pennies off of $7. You know, if you're looking at IMUX, you could find that pivot down there, 680s, a retest of 680s, and then anticipate $7. Just entirely using Moomy right now for the candlesticks. Oh, there's a pullback on IMUX there. Oh my gosh, Zach. Break of 50 cents here? Do we get the break of 50 cents? Looking for the break of 50 cents on this one. There's 50. Pull back a tiny bit. Give me the break of 50 cents. Just a quick little break of 50 cents. And see if I can pull away a tiny bit. There you go. What kind of pull away is that though? In tiny size here. Pull away, pull away, pull away. Give me like 50, 60, 70 bucks out of this trade. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Doesn't want to pull away, doesn't want to pull away. Good trade, Zach, good trade. He just alerted it earlier and then now it started to rip. You know, I'm good at these breakout trades. But these breakout trades are not what make the bulk of the money, you know. These are small hits here and there, get 50, $100, maybe 150, $200 on each, and then look for the next big move. And today I didn't really see big moves, so man, I could have kept holding. Dang it. Made 13 bucks there. That is nothing. You're up 15% on this stupid small size. Imux didn't get filled at 699. You got out 691. Okay, I see it. I've been trading 2 to 3 years. Any tips for new beginning day traders? Yes, work on the skill. Learn to be profitable first before you look to make $5,000 a day, you know. Crypto Wire's up $305 on paper on Lase, so she's done for the day. Good job. HKD waking up. This could be a retest here of previous high of days, 47 cents on FNCH, but you know, a little bit of stuffed after 50 cents, so iffy. And we're seeing a couple of big knives again. You know, Lace, a little bit of a knife. Actually, not a little bit. That's a big old knife. Peggy, again, also a little bit of a knife. GGE, also 2 candles down. You know, these are pretty aggressive pullbacks. So let's be a little patient and find the good trades and not chase at the top with big shares as, because that is what will happen. FNCH, this one could have more room to run. Had a previous high of 69 cents, Zach. HKD halted. Oh my god. That means AMTD is ripping. Yep. That means AMTD is ripping. IMUX holding this 683. IMUX looking for the break of 7 on this one, on IMUX. And FNHC honestly does not look bad right here. Let's see if we get a nice little bit of a fade on this one here and can snag up some shares. Pull down. Nope. So that was a place to add. That was a place to add on that one. What does trading on this platform correspond with Robinhood and Coinbase? Robinhood does not have a platform for you can trade like this. Robinhood is a phone app. Dice, forming cup and handle, thoughts? No. Looks like an inverse hammer just formed on Peggy, big profit. I'm not looking at Peggy anymore. FNCH, that 47 could have been pivot there, but honestly, FNCH still doesn't look bad. You could take some ads down here. Took a little bit of FNHC, buying the bids here, see if I get good ads. Let's see if this 5-minute candle holds and we put in another leg. Looking for another leg on FNHC if we get it. I almost added there more. I don't know if this will have another leg, but I almost added right there. Here, if we get a little pullback, still trying to hold at 47. This is a new 5-minute candle. We could go down, tap the 8, and then make a little bit of a move back up. So let's see. You know, I might be catching a falling knife here, but let's see if buyers are still in on this stock here, down here. I think this is actually not a good trade. But trying to see if we go down, touch the 8, which we just did right there on the 5-minute. Tap the 8 and see if we turn back around. Actually, Imux curling up to $7 again. Alright, here, give me that pop back up. Give me that retracement. Back up to that 47. Back up to that 47. There you go, there you go. Make your way back up. Take some alls. 500 on the ask? Did I see 500 on the ask? I'm pretty sure I saw 500 on the ask. So I cut it out. Ever had health problems from sitting long during trading? No, I mean I sit. SPY going up. Oh, I see it. I am not on TradingView. What are you talking about? I get back like 20 bucks there. Robinhood in a long time. What was I saying? No. You know, people work from home and sit here 8 hours a day. I sit here for 3 hours at the most, trading. I do take a little bit more time sitting down here from editing videos and you recaps and all that stuff. So I do spend more time sitting down, but no. Not a good day today. I'm glad I'm green. How many trades can you do in a day? Depends on what account you have and depends on what account you have. Oh dang, it's only 9:40. I don't know why it was later. I feel like I've been sitting here for longer already. Robinhood Coinbase is literally no profit. You can trade with Robinhood, but you just can't day trade like this fast. You can't be super fast with your phone app. To buy a purple seat cushion, 1040 over there at Robin's place. Clear 200 on FNHC account up 10%. Good job, Tyler. Good job. You don't like the gaming chair as much? Gaming chair plus purple seat cushion equals heaven. IMUX to me still looks like could be in play, but this is all I'm seeing right now. FNCH, you know, I was buying down here. It looks like it wanted to. That's the right place. You know, that's a good move, almost 50% down. Touches the 8 on the 5. Low volume. Look at that push up with those candles, and then look at this volume down here. Less and decreasing the lower it goes. I'll take that trade again if I saw it. I lost $30 on it, but if I get that trade to turn around on me and back up the highs, definitely make more than what I'd lost there. But now it was looking heavy. And I actually exited that trade a little bit early just because I saw a lot of ask. Now there is going to be a lot more ask because more orders and more orders based on the price, which is cheaper. So obviously there's going to be more orders. But still, I hadn't seen one like that there before. And then I have a gaming chair and it's uncomfortable AF. Dang guys, that's all I use. A gaming chair. It's cushiony. So let me import my trades again. Small green day for me here. Smallest green day in a while. Did I make more profit before I took that loss? I was at 206 and I went up to 259. But I lost money on FNHC. I guess I made 30 here on IMUX. Sure. I guess I'm up 250. Let me refresh it. Yep, 260. I'm up 260. Do you journal your trades? I use TraderView, yes. Have you ever tried managing Big Chair? No, I have not. IMUX kind of forming a tiny little pennant here. Flag, whatever you want to call this. You know, so this thing might make a move out of this here pretty soon. Every trader needs to journal. Super important to know your metrics. Yeah, so I use TraderView, which is this what you were seeing earlier here. TraderView. I think I paid, it's either $20 or $30 a month, but honestly, it's so worth it. I mean, $30 a month is not expensive, and hold on, I saw a little bit of a thing on my screen because of the white background from TraderView. Yeah, it tracks everything. So like this is just, hold on, IMUX, if IMUX pops up, we're looking at break of 7. But we need to hold this move out of this here. Looking for $7 on IMUX. 30 seconds left on this candle. I don't even know if there's any pivot up here. It's kind of tight. I mean, you could kind of look at this 693, but that's just 7 cents under $7. So let's see if we get over that one first, or even retest the downtrend down here. IMUX looking for $7 pull away. This one hasn't even reached the 200 moving average on the daily. A lot of red orders, but stock is not going down. Looking for $7 on this one. Looking for $7. Looking for $7. It started popping up for a little bit, but there was a wall there at that 695. Watching it here, holding that downtrend retest. There we go. Could have been an extra add there for lower average, but I'm still in here. Looking for that 694 break. 693, there's only 3 orders there. How is nobody buying those up? 692 right now, 693. 10 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we hold that 693 and accelerate right here towards $7. Right here, right here, right here, right here. 26 orders there. How did that not break? Okay. 695. No breaks again. Come on, do something like Peggy and squeeze up like instant. $693 is the only pivot I'm looking to keep holding, but if this starts flushing, I'm out. Look at that low volume pullback on both of these red candles, so I don't know how we're not squeezing up to 7. Here we go. Look at time and sales. All green again. 695 has 50 orders, 49 orders, 50 orders, 55 orders. Not chipping. Not chipping. One last attempt. 694, 7 orders. 693, 20 orders. Let me sell there a little bit just to descale. Not wanting to go. Zach is watching Lace right now. Yeah, Trading View is awesome. Trader View is not VIEW, it's VUE. Trader View. HKD doing HKD things, Rosendo. Honestly, here, this one still does not look bad. IMX still does not look bad for the break of 7. You just joined the Discord, no idea what you're doing. Awesome, we'll help you out. Awesome, we will help you out. We will help you out. Awesome, thanks for the tip. Okay, I tracked in journal for sure. Awesome. Buy now. I bought it, dude. I bought it. I didn't know I could trade through my bank. No, you're not trading through your bank. You open a TD like a broker account, and then you connect your bank to the broker account, and then you can send money. IMUX just could not get the break of 7. 683 is that pivot we were looking at earlier, but right now it's a little exhausted. I think I made a little bit more money on this one, but I'm looking at dollars here and there, not any good profit. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't make a trading view, you know, you're looking at it. Trader view. Oh, actually, you know, it probably would be because it's so similar to trading view. So trading view and then trader view probably is very similar. So they might have had to change it trader view. TD Ameritrade is not a bank though, it's a broker. Right now I'm not trading anything, looking at IMUX. And then look, it's this easy to import your trades. I mean, there might be a bank you can basically put your money in there. I don't know if they actually have a bank where you can have a checking savings account. You know, my money is in a trading account, not a checking or savings or stuff like that. But so who was asking me? Danimal. So all you do, if you have Thinkorswim, I don't know if you do, you go to the very top left, click monitor account statement, and then you see all the trades for the day. So then you go to the top right, you click export file, and you basically save it. So 1011, save it. I already saved it, so I'm gonna have to click yes again to overwrite it. And then you go over to trading view. You go over to trading view, you click import trades, you click browse, you select the one you just saved there, open it, upload it, and done. You go to journal and it should pop it up. So I was up 259 earlier, so now I'm up 269. And that's it. And it tells you a bunch of things. Like right now, I think I have it filtered for the last 9 days, so I'm up $5,935.15. But it tells you like your details, right? My average day gain was $650. My biggest win in the last 9 days was $750 on one trade. My biggest loss was $185. Average winning trade, so $200 per trade. Number of winning trades, so I have a 74% accuracy that a trade is green, as opposed to 26% accuracy that trade is red. In the last, do you need trader view or is that optional? This is optional. This is incredible. This is the last 9 days, and this is everything. You know, I could be up $2,000 in the last 9 days, but if I made $50,000 and I lost $48,000 and I'm up 2,000, it would track it here. And in the last 9 days, of all my trades, I've only lost $684 in the last 9 days. $684. That's incredible. And I've made 6,620 in 9 days. You know, so there's my winning rate. There's my P&L. First day I was up $0, and then 950, 1400, 2100, 2800, 3500, 4000, 4900, 5600, 5900 today. Cumulative drawdown. This This is a flat line because this tracks how much down you go off of your highs, and so because I didn't have a single red day, it's just flat. What else does it track? Days and times, so it's gonna track what days I did better. So Mondays, what's today? Tuesday. Tuesday is my second worst day. This is on the last 9 days, obviously. So Mondays I've made a total of 1,400. Tuesdays 900. Wednesdays 700. Thursdays 1,400. Friday 1,300. By the hour, so the majority of my profit is from 8 to 9. 4,400 was from 8 to 9. After that, it starts slowing down. This doesn't make sense. I don't know why. They need to fix that. I'm not seeing anything else, guys, as far as trades. So I'm going over my stats because I hadn't looked at these. It tells you stats as far as price. So the stocks that were between $2 to $5 looks like I've made $4,000 on those. Under $2, what is that? That's going to be a stock like the one that I was just trading right now, FNHC. This is a stock under $2. I lost. So these $19 went into this, which is still green on those. Red on the prices 20 to 50. I don't know which stock I trade those 20 to 50 that I lost money on. Let's see. Volume traded. So between 5,000 and 20,000 more volume traded, I was further in the green. Instruments is going to tell me the stocks that I made the most money, lost the most money on. So SNTI by far the one I made the most money on. SOBR, I think that was yesterday's second most, and so far so forth. The one I lost the most money was on ATXG, and I know there goes this one past 7. How does this one not break $7, dude? Look how many buy orders are coming in. How do we not break out on this one? I don't want to catch a dump. I'm gonna catch a dump. I'm out. I hate IMUX. I hate IMUX. This stock just has such a hard time of breaking out that I'm not going to touch it again. So let me import my trades. Now it's going to go up a little bit. I mean, up as in, it's going to go down, sorry. $200 on the day. Let me see what you guys have questions on. I was looking at trade review, so I couldn't see my YouTube chat or TikTok chat. Appreciate info. Let's see. How do you stay consistent and keep your win rate high? Patience, man. Patience. You know, I find the good trades. You know, on average, my winning rate for every trade that I take is 74%. That's pretty high. I know what I'm looking for. I'm not scalping like, you know, a lot of other traders they're gonna be out here scalping, and they try to just get a quick scalp, and they make the profit off of 3 cents, 2 cents, 5 cents, you know. I'm looking to make the profit on that big pull away, 10 cents, 15, 20 cents, 30 cents, get a runner, you know, bigger share size, which nothing opened up today. So Lace was the only one that started opening up. And I don't know. I think I took a trade. I don't know where it was. Somewhere in here, and I was looking. No, it wasn't Lace. It was Peggy. Peggy, you know. I know Peggy had potential today. I know Peggy could break that $5 today. And so my first trades was accumulating here. And a true scalper is going to buy the breakout here for 5-10 cents sell. 5-10 cents sell. I'm trying to anticipate this bottom here, this flag. You see this pull, this flag, and I wanted $5. I wanted this thing to rip here. Didn't happen. Um, did I try it again here? I did. See, same thing, right? Pull, flag, rip, and that's what I was looking for. And unfortunately, it looks like I was fully out of that trade before it even ripped on me. So I missed it. But that's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for 5, 10 cents a profit. I'm looking for 470, 480, 10 cents, 490, 10 cents, $5, 30 cents, 57, 37 cents. That's a lot. That's a big move. AAJ up 150. Good job. Thanks for the stream, Blair. Appreciate it. Can I explain what puts are? Puts are options, and I don't trade options. So I mean, puts are basically you're buying puts or sell puts, and depends on what you do. It's either shorting or going long on the market. What account size do you need to make 1K a day? That is a hard question. One of the many things that Juan does great that other traders have problems with is cutting his losers quick. He doesn't hold on to any bags. I don't hold on to any bags. I don't hold on to any bags. You know, I always say that stock might come up and it ripped $5 like here. You know, I bought this flag here. I could have bag held, and then gotten that rip with my 4,000 shares. But from here to there, that's a 20-cent move down with 4,000 shares. That's almost $1,000 loss. I would have been down $1,000 loss before I would have gone back up. But this, instead of ripping like that, it could have done this. And now I'm here, and now I'm down 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, down 2,000 still, and it never would have came back. And so do not bag hold. BK Guyper, thanks for going to that Peggy chart. It takes a lot of practice to know when to buy the dips and anticipating. How do you know you have to get out of the trade? I tell this to everybody all the time. If I jump into a trade for the break of 7, here, perfect example. Where's that stupid ticker on my chart? Did I delete it because I was tired of it? Nope, Imux. Right here, right? I jumped in on this trade, on this pullback right here, looking for the break of 7. If I get 2 attempts on it, which this candle kind of did, this one did, and then this candle popped up to 7. If I don't get the break of 7, and that's my intention on that trade, I'm out. I'm cutting it, you know. On FNHC, another good example, right here. I'm taking the trade here, waiting for this quick bounce up to 47. This right here, this candle is telling me we tried and failed. This candle bouncing, this candle bouncing, this candle trying. If you get the move back up, this candle closes green here. You get a small 1-minute candle, and then you get the move back up. Or you get this candle green, and then instant next candle green back up. You know, stuff like that. This candle here is telling me this is not coming back up. This is getting rejected. I stop out, and then continues lower. So if I was looking for that bounce and I see that it doesn't happen, I'm out. Cut the trade out. I cut the trade out here, and then it flushed down on me. So this one, I would be back holding into a loser trade, and I don't want to do that. IMUX, look at that. Oh my goodness, broke $7. This one, 733 is 200 moving average. 713 is a daily pivot. But this one's being so choppy, I don't really want to trade it. It just doesn't trade like I wanted it to. Isn't chart reading no better than astrology? Well, dang, I should do astrology too, cause I must be really good at it. Look at this. Green, 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 green. Juan Lace is hanging around VWAP. You're right. I could be a bull bear trap. That looks like a bear trap. You're gonna hold in video call until there's nothing left. Market is popping up, so my put is probably down now. Should have taken my profits when it was up. So I'm actually gonna close that one at negative 15%. I was up 20%. No, I was up 10% on it, and I lost 15%. But I hit a 100% winner yesterday. The market needs to go up before the next interest rate hike. I don't know that this one has a chance, you know. If this one has a chance, I'm going to wait for it to come back up. $3. If it starts holding $3, then I would look at Lase. It has to go back to at least 365 to be able to come down more for SPY. We've retested some of those levels a lot already. Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is the site. It's not a website, it's an application. I'm hungry. I am hungry and slow day today. Does anybody need my Discord links or anything like that in here? Let me give you guys my Discord just in case. So if you're watching on YouTube, here's my Discord. You guys can come in on my Discord, and every time I get off stream, I go to my Discord, and if things are moving, we're all in there talking about it, looking for pivots, looking for plays. If it's dry in there, then that means no plays are going on. Also, guys, I don't know if a lot of you guys know. I know I say it a lot, but I do have a course available for everybody watching that is a complete beginner and wants to learn. You know, I have nothing wrong if you want to learn on your own. I'll help you out. But I need to see that you guys are putting in effort. I'm not if you're trying to learn and don't want to buy my course, but you come up to me and tell me, "Hey, what time does the market open? Hey, what is a market order? Hey, what stocks? How do you know what stocks to look at?" You know, I'm not going to help you. If you come into me and tell me, "Hey, I put a market order here but didn't execute, didn't know if I had the right time and force in day or whatever. I couldn't sell when I had a stop loss in place, but tried selling limit, didn't let it." Then I know you're understanding orders and stuff like that. Then I'll help you. Um, but if not, if you want the whole thing in one package plus my help, any questions you have, then you guys can get my course. The link is in my Discord. So if you go over to my Discord, there should be one that says trading course, and you guys can also put 150 off at the checkout page. So if you put 150 off at the checkout page, you'll get $150 off. My course is 450 with the discount is 300, which everybody that's taken it says is worth it. And honestly, I have not seen a cheaper course out there. There's only one course that I know is out there that's cheaper, which I'm sure you guys know. It's Ricky. I think his is like 250, but the guy, I mean, millionaire, multi-millionaire, you know, a million subs on YouTube, so he's huge. But with somebody like that, you're not going to be able to reach out to him and have help all the time. You know how many people he's probably helping, or he doesn't even help because he's got so many people. Somebody like me, I'm willing to help you guys out and answer any questions. No, I have no idea what that is, Taurus. Oh, account seller. My Discord is in the link in bio on TikTok. Oh yeah, then again, Ricky trades different stuff. You're right. He does not trade like us or the stocks that we trade. Alright, so I'll hang in here. If you guys have a couple more questions, I'll answer them. I don't know that I'm going to see another trade. You know, $200 on the day. It's okay. I'd rather be green than red. Yeah, I had no idea who that is, Taurus. Taurus, yeah, your thinkorswim is not gonna look. It's not gonna look anything like mine. You have to customize it. No, again, YouTube has it all, but inside of my course, there's a whole section. Let me go over my course. And I actually, if there's anybody that's in my course right now, I finally recorded the last. I'm adding 3 videos to the course. I finally recorded them. I just have to edit them, and I have to. No, not YouTube. Post them. Teachable. Lase breaking resistance. Okay, Lase heading up to $3. Lase, sorry, Lase. Dang, I like it. Lase pops up. All of you guys are instantly on it. It's good volume there. Popped over VWAP, but we want this thing over $3. Come on, internet. What's happening? Basically, what I'm trying to get to you, Taurus, is that there's a whole section in my course that explains how to set up thinkorswim. What's the best trading indicator? I don't use indicators. If I had to pick one, VWAP. Everybody's gonna have VWAP on their charts, so you want to have VWAP on your charts as well. Which is this purple line. Doesn't mean I take trades right on it. Like, doesn't mean I'm sniping all these entries here to go short or here to go long. But it definitely could help. Best trading indicator is your eyeballs. Best in the oh, look at ABEO. Look at ABEO. Super low volume on ABEO. Why is my internet so slow? Maybe it was my internet why I couldn't my charts were laggy a little bit this morning. IMUX hitting 713. Oh, I said 713 earlier, guys. Daily pivot, look, exactly spiked up to 713. I said 713 is the daily pivot, literally spiked up exactly to 713. After 713 though, I don't see anything until the 200 moving average, so I think 733 would be it. IMUX, what a crappy way to make a stock go up. Look at this. That is a crappy way for a stock to go up. These were good trades down here that I missed, or maybe I just didn't hold long enough. Yeah, I missed this entry here. I missed this entry here. That would have been the good trade. Missed these lows here. What a crappy way. Yeah, I guess I cannot open up my course. For some reason my internet's lagging. Who were some of the traders you liked to watch while you were learning? There was this one guy, and dude, honestly, I have no. Do I need a laptop to start? Can I use my phone? You could technically use your phone, but if you're gonna trade like me, you definitely will need a laptop. There goes ABO again. Imux poking his head out of 715, looking at 733, 200 moving average on the daily. John had a 60. Nvidia has crazy hidden shorts at VWAP. I hope it squeezes them. 731. That's exactly what it is. 731 is 200 moving average. What was I gonna say? Oh, there was this one Mexican guy. No, not Mexican. Spaniard guy that I used to watch, and I was in his Discord because he would post the watch list and all that stuff. Ricky mostly trades ETFs, yeah. IMUX might have a big old fade though. I feel like IMUX is the next one to have a big flush. So I'm fine here with my $200. Um, what was I gonna say? Frick, what was I gonna say? Oh, this Spaniard guy. Um, he traded these penny stocks and he made good money on it, and and it looked legit. You know, this was when I was first starting out, so maybe I just didn't really know, but this guy looked legit. Oh no. Huh. Still live, right? Yeah. Um, dude, I cannot finish my sentence. Anyways, he seemed legit. Looked like he knew what he was doing. And then one day he put out his scores. You know, he anticipated, put out his scores, and then literally fell off the face of the earth. Never heard from him again. Deleted his YouTube channel, deleted his Discord, and at that point I was like, "There's no way this guy just like did it all fake and scammed people." And he might have. He might have, but you know, I still follow him on social medias, and it seems like he's got a good life. All he does is go out there and travel and all that stuff. But oh well, I don't know what happened. You guys are still here, right? Because my laptop shut off or timed out, and sometimes it ends the stream when that happens. Did it end the stream for you guys? Did you have to restart it or no? Yeah, I don't know why it does it, because I don't even. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Don't yell at me, people. It doesn't make sense because I start my stream from my computer and I just watch it on my laptop. From I just watch it on my laptop so to monitor the chat, and I guess it's because I'm signed in on my account and thinks I'm also streaming from it. The second my laptop turns off, then it turns off the stream, which is weird. It doesn't make sense. Is anybody still trading? Like, are you guys still finding trades right now? Lace looks ready to break above VWAP. Yeah, I don't think it ends on YouTube. I think it only ends on Tradecaster. SPY predictions, you know, I was just shorting it earlier. It got a nice bounce down, but reversed on me, and I took the L on that one. But, you know, everybody's saying SPY's going to drop. SPY's going to drop, so we'll see. I think the clean trade on SPY is to see if we have a nice fade, a nice flush, and then retest back to these 360 levels, 350 levels from the bottom, and get a very nice continuation. Just a nice flush, retest, and move lower. But We'll see. We will see. We will see. We might have a nice bounce though. Kind of double bottom 356, 57s. Maybe pop back up and then the next time really fall through that 350s. Nick, one of the traders I like to watch while I'm learning is a guy named Juan. He's legit, bro. I've heard of that guy. Not that good, bro. I've heard a lot of bad things about that guy. He trades paper money, I think. Sells the cores for money. Um, you know, I don't know what else. Is there unlimited trades on Ameritrade for a 5K account, or is it 25K? There's two ways you can do it. Don't forget a Wild Boy. He's pretty crazy. Wild Boy reads Nvidia like a charm. A couple of you guys are on Lace. I see it. Peggy said it was holding those levels nicely. Trying to pop up, but you know, at this point, I don't like trading stuff with super low volume. This isn't Robinhood. No, it's not Robinhood. Today has been slow for you. Yep. Slow for me too. Smallest green day in the last 9 days. Just staring at charts. So Amadeus, whatever your name is. Sorry if I chopped it up. 25K gives you unlimited trades no matter what, but at that point you're in a margin account, or you can use a cash account and then break it down to where you use your tracking your settled dates, settled funds, and then you can trade. You can trade a lot still. You can trade more than if you're on PDT rule. One of the fastest ways to find legit traders is to look to see who your favorite traders follow. Who do I follow? You know, there's a lot of people out there, but everybody's gonna say warrior trading, and I mean Ross, right? Yeah, there's just nobody that can compete with that guy. I'm sure there is. How much do I need to start out? I added 50 to my TD Ameritrade account. 50, I mean, you're going to make a little bit of returns, but at least gets you trading with real money. But I still would trade paper money. Um, I do trade options occasionally, but not day trade them, so I'll swing them. I will get into this, bro. I will learn how to trade. Awesome, man. Awesome. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to jump in on my course so I can fully help you out. Let me know. If not, then jump in on my Discord, learn on YouTube, and then ask me any questions. Ross, there's nobody that can compete with that guy. I'm sure there is, but people are not publicly as exposed as he is. Yeah. So I think him. And I mean, I haven't done it as much recently, but I used to watch all his recap videos on a daily basis. Like the second they released, I'm already looking at him because I see the stocks in the mornings, I traded them, and then I see him trade the same things and say, "Oh look, we actually bought the same spot. Oh look, we traded the same move. Oh look, we both went for the same high." And that gave me a lot of confidence to know, "Hey, I'm trading the right moves." And I mean, and Sean, Tradecaster owner, he's awesome. I mean, if there's anybody that also is the most entertaining and actually teaches you, is him. Every single day, if you guys look at Peggy again. Is Peggy gonna break 5 again and break out to a new high? Avaya, I have not heard of that stock in a while on Avaya. Ross was way Ross was great for YouTube tutorials, but you're way better to follow live. Awesome. So Lace over 3, I would be interested in Peggy. 41 is that same pivot again. You know, actually it's 485. All right there, 485. IMUX consolidating above 7. I also see that. You could take a retest of 7 on IMUX. This green candle here on Peggy has pretty good volume. I don't know that I want to chase Peggy. So Rolex G. Well, I won't say that, but yeah, you're right. You're right, man. Rolex, you're right. And I upload. If I have a red day, I'll make a recap about it. But I just, I just haven't had a red day in the last 9 days. So, but I'm hoping if I have a red day next, it'll be a small one. You know, my job is to keep those red days small. So hopefully after whatever streak or whenever this streak ends, I can keep a small red day. For everybody on TikTok asking, can you make money off of this? Yes, you can make a lot of money off of this. What can I do to learn how to do this? Um, YouTube is gonna teach you everything. You're just gonna have to find the people in the channels. I can't tell you one to look after, but I do have a course that's gonna teach you guys everything from beginning to end, like literally complete beginner. This is what a stock is. This is how it moves to. Hey, these are strategies. These are patterns you want to look at. This is what you want to look at on stocks in the morning and all that stuff. So if you want that, then it's in the link in the bio. Use 150 offer checkout page. And I stream free, so you guys can see me trade this market every single day completely free. A lot of people charge for this, and honestly, I would take advantage while it's still free. The course is 450 with the 150 discount is $300, which is actually still a lot cheaper than a lot of them out there. And and I will help you at any time. If you're in my course, you get put into a private Discord where you can reach out to me. And if I need to hop on a phone call and explain something, I can do that. Share my screen, share your screen, help you with all that. I'll do that. So yeah. So Rolex G is saying the most important thing as a trader when you're trying to like not gain followers but teach people is being transparent. And I don't know how much transparent I can be than literally trading live and importing my trades live with you guys every single day. You know, you can hide your P&L on Thinkorswim. I could hide this if I wanted to, and you guys will not be able to see it. I could not tell you. I could not show. I could just easily not show you this and tell you, hey, look, this is how much I'm up. This is how much I'm up in the last 9 days. You know, almost 6 grand. Oh, I did give some back. And I'm not even hiding the right days. I just haven't had a red day. I'm just Laces independent should break out soon. IMUX just, I mean, this thing was not trying to break out all morning. It kind of had some big old pullbacks here. Look, these are kind of this candle, that candle, and this candle. And then it just stays up there. Do I believe in tape reading? Yeah, that's tape reading is a time and sales, and you can include level 2 in there. So yeah, I do use time and sales a lot. Level 2, I've been using it a lot more recently. Aprecio lo que haces por eso. Apoyo tu canal para que crezca. Gracias, Rolex. Gracias. Thanks, man. Thanks. So he's saying he really appreciates me being super transparent and likes how I, just everything my recaps, my lives, and so he's supporting my channel. Hopefully it grows. So Discord link is in the bio. Avaya sideways. I don't see Avaya. I have not heard of Avaya. Actually, Avaya did make a move today. You've been saying this today, and I didn't look at it. I was like, Avaya, I have not heard of Avaya in the last like 20 days, so did not expect this one to pop up. But still, nothing interesting today. This is pretty choppy volume. You're looking at candles of 50,000 volume, 40,000 volume, 60,000 volume, 50,000 volume. That's not a lot. What way is this going? What is that, Swole Granny? That's FNGR. Yes, yeah. That's the one John has been looking at. So Swole Granny pointing out the longer time frame on. Let me just hop to a different time frame so you guys can see it. No, FNGR. So if you look at FNGR in the bigger time frames, gosh dang it, man. Right here, there we go. There we go. That's FNGR on the bigger time frame. So FNGR looking to break out of this pennant. Did we go up or did we go down? I have no idea, Soul Granny. I can tell you. I'd look for the break and retest on them. So we're right at the 2 hour mark, and I'm up $200, so I'm making $100 an hour, and I only work 2 hours a day, and so getting towards that time of day where things are going to be choppy. If I see something else, maybe later in the day, power hour, something like that. But for now, I'm going to conserve capital and not lose profits. Today I did okay, Swell Granny. I was looking at Peggy for my big trade, and I was up $400 on that trade. And I didn't cash it in because I was looking for the break of 5, and I'll show you exactly what I was looking at right here. Actually, Peggy's still flagging. It was right here. I added like 4,000 shares through here, looking for this move to 5, and then I added again here 4 or 5,000 shares, looking for this break of 5, and I stopped out right here, and I stopped out on this one. This is the one I was up like $400 here somewhere, and then pulled down. I lost on that one, 20 bucks, and then on this one, so from $400 I took $20 loss, and then this one I added back, and I think I got back to green, and I missed this. I missed that, which is what I was looking for. But actually, Peggy's still flagging again. Zach, Peggy actually doesn't look bad. Rosendo saying super slow market today. He's gonna walk away. That is honestly not the bad idea. Honestly, not a bad idea. You joined the Discord, awesome, man. All of you guys on the Discord, let me know if you guys have any questions. You learned the lesson the hard way. I think a lot of us learned the lesson the hard way in the beginning. If the market's slow, look, you guys, you have so much more times to trade in the market than making it back today. Come back a different day. Come back the next day when there's volume in the market. Come back when you see things moving. But Peggy's honestly still flagging again. Would not be surprised if Peggy makes another high. Or comes back up to 5 again. 45 was that previous high of day that I mentioned earlier, and you can see this candle is literally hovering right over 485. That is why. The program is Thinkorswim, yes. IMUX down to $7. Could be a trade, but honestly, I don't like IMUX. There's a little pullback on Peggy. Got bought up. Be my Peggy. Dice broke $40 coming back. I see it. Broke 450. 40.50. HKD, John, you're in HKD? You're in at 42. What the heck, John? Dang. John is in at 42 and halting at 47. A 1,000 shares, John? No. Peggy keeps flagging with low volume. I would be interested to see if we can get some ads on this one, but I would look for a double bottom of 475. But this is looking iffy here. Hey, still 50 shares, man. That's good, man. Yeah, it halted. It halted when I looked at it. Looks like SPY is ripping right now. That's a good thing. Peggy, there's a nasty flush. Does that get bought up? Yes. Instant bought up. Shoot, you know exactly who caused that. You know exactly who caused that bounce. 495 break. We can see $5. You know exactly. You know exactly. That bounce right there. The way that thing just recovered. What's going on, Samuel? What's up? How are you, man? I should have added on Peggy down there, but I didn't get an ad. We're looking for 495 break. I've never heard of that method. SAR method? What is that? Peggy also has a pretty nice downtrend, so I'm looking to see if we get out of this downtrend on Peggy, retest it, go up to $5, go up to 507, new high, but I'm usually short bias, so I like to check my competition here with you longs. Hey, that's actually pretty smart though. That's a good thing. You know, to be able to short, you have to know what longs you're looking for, and to be able to go long, you have to understand what shorts are doing. You sent me one, yes? I thought I replied to you. Did you send me another one? Yeah, I replied to you, Samuel. I'm doing good, I'm doing good. Small green day today. I did reply to you, Samuel. I honestly just don't think we have the volume on Peggy to do the move. We had one clean move earlier. That was that candle that just ripped. I mean, maybe this one right here ripped, but no follow through right away, and then this one ripped and no follow through right away. It kind of stalled out flush. So I don't expect this thing to break out, flag, and break out. This thing might just stall out again. Somewhere. Yeah, somehow you're good, man. I'm about to get off here pretty soon, I think. I'm currently up, literally up. Anybody got the unhalt time on HKD? Actually, let me check. Halted at 36.29, so 40. Oh, 41.29. So you got 20 seconds. No, 19, 18. Right here, HKD is about to be unhalted in 9 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Live, baby. Next leg up, next leg up, next leg up. Holding 48, holding 48, holding 48, holding 48. Nope. Holding halt level, holding halt level. 47.18. Next leg up. There it is. Break 40. There it is. There's the next leg up. Swole Granny, appreciate you coming in here, man. Appreciate you coming in here. I see you keeping an eye on FNGR. So I'll tell you when I go long, make my money, and then you can go short on it, and then get the leftover profits of that. So Green Day, the trader, heading out. Thanks, Juan. The team, awesome. The trader, you have a good day. Am I working off a 1 or 5 minute? This one right here is a 1 minute, and this bottom one right here is a 5 minute, and then this one to my left is the daily. Which was the other one we were looking at? Peggy. Yeah, see Peggy. Just did not expect Peggy to make that breakout. Today was not a breakout day, and Peggy, the way Peggy was trading earlier. Holy crap, I got the hiccups. Maybe that is the time for me to shut up. See, this should have gone. This did go after that. Here, this should have gone. You know, you get that experience and intuition where you know something should have gone already, and if it doesn't, then I'm not interested on it. Imux though, I did mention $7 pivot, never took it. Looks like you could have sniped that entry there up to 7.10, 10 cents there. HKD, everybody give John a little bit of a fire emoji, man. Fire emoji for John on HKD. Are you fully out? Are you fully out of HKD, John? Oh my gosh, it's still going. And you're not fully out. What a patience. You got it at 42 and you were now 10 cents into another halt. Man, that is crazy. That is crazy, John. Oh, not halted, not halted. It popped up another 50 cents there. 56 exactly. 56.01. Halting. Halted. Not halted. Not halted. I'm looking at time and sales. You're fully out. 55.34. Nice. Good job, John. $13 a share. Good job. Peggy, a little bit of a pullback there. Dang. I have a feeling somebody's going to be red on the day. Ape Traits, Mersa, Zach. Dang, John. No, 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 not that you're red. I'm calling somebody else. I'm calling somebody else that might be red because they're in on this trade here, and I know that they took. Good job, John. Good job, man. Today is like a pretty slow market day, yeah. So I mean, I just at this point I just enjoy chatting with you guys because otherwise I would be. I might pull out of dice for a loss to trade another stock. Maybe not today though, but I mean, this is a prime example of don't backhold this. Justin, I don't want to call you out. I don't want to be rude to you, but if you're not gonna tell it to yourself, then I'll say it to you. Do not backhold stocks. You know, you're lucky this thing popped up from 36 to 40. That's an extra $4 a share that you recouped, that you recovered. Right? This thing could have gone straight back down to $25, and then you'd be in a big hole. Um, right now, I would put a stop loss. Give yourself, maybe whatever this pivot is, $40. Give yourself a stop under that. I do trade full time, yeah. Um, and then give yourself a stop. If it stops out, then you're out. If this keeps coming back, then you're in that trade still. But I would be very careful. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. Do I trade forex too? No, I do not. How do I learn? YouTube, or you can take my course in link in the bio. 150 off for the checkout page discount. 150 off. You get full video access to all of my videos. You get to learn how to day trade from complete beginner, what a stock is, how the stock moves, all that stuff, all the way up to me helping you every single time you have any questions, doubts, or anything like that with my course. Um, Guys, I think I'm going to call it there. I think most of you guys are heading out for the day anyway, so I'm going to call it here. Appreciate all of you guys coming in here. What do you trade on? TD. Wow, boy, what is that? Nvidia? Nvidia is going pretty good. Wow, boy. Hey, you at least got some profit, man. You at least got some profit. I have a question. Wait, please. Can you please tell me how you do this? Yes, full course in the bio. Full course in the bio. I physically cannot help you and help 10 other people at the same time. It's impossible. That's why I have a course out. Alright, guys. I'm going to head out for the rest of the day. Looks like most of you guys already did too. Locking in another small... Oh, I'm trying to stretch. Sorry. Locking in another small day. $200 today. I'm glad to be green. Looks like I'm up $1,000 for the week already, even though it's Tuesday. So let's see if we can make this count. Let's see if we can keep scaling up. Let's see. Well, not scaling up today at all. I was in 4,000 shares, which is okay. I've taken 5, 10,000 shares before, but guys, thanks for the stream. Have a great day. Thanks, Chicago Sid. Thanks for being in here. I gave you guys my Discord link. If anybody still wants it on YouTube or Tradecaster, please tell me now. I didn't know you could do that. Please tell me now before I head out. Otherwise, we're going to be hanging out on the Discord. Please also check it out in the mornings. We have people here, literally John, early bird here, waking up 6 in the morning, already chatting on the Discord. Mr. G was in there, Rafiki, Urban Trades in there sometimes. Dragon Trader, Kip, a couple of guys in here. That Discord's growing now. I want more people active on there. Hanish was in there, Mr. G, Johnny. At 6:50 this morning. I don't even get out of bed till 8. You know. So if you guys are early birds, want to talk about the day, what it's looking like. Mr. G. Oh, Mr. G, I guess either he got off of my stream or not. I need a D Jones. Like, I need to figure out who some of these guys are on the stream because I don't know who's who, and it bothers me sometimes. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. I'm heading out for the day. Green Day, keeping in whatever streak this is. I don't really care what it is. Not really making it an emotional thing. So I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys go check out my recap today on YouTube. I'll post it, explain all my trades there, where I bought, where I sold, why I sold, all that stuff. And you guys can go check it out. Enjoy, boss. Thank you, man. Thank you, Hanish. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live trading.